Hello guys, my name is Ujjwal Singh and I welcome you again. So in this video we will talk about break and continue statement in Java. So let's start the video by looking at the agenda. Here we have the agenda for the video guys. So first of all we will talk about why we use break statement. Then we'll see an example of the break statement. Then we'll see why we use continue statement, and at last we'll see an example of continue statement. So let's start this video. So guys, few days back I uploaded a video about switch statement, and in that vid I have explained the use of break. But if you haven't seen that video, that's super good. If you have seen, it's good, because anyway I'm going to explain you here. So a break statement is used to terminate a sequence or a loop. In other words, by using break statement inside a loop, you can jump out from that particular loop to print the output without executing the program further. You'll understand this concept by an example. So let's go ahead and see a program using for loop. Rest, as I informed you earlier, I already have video on this about break statement in switch. So I'll put the link in the description. I would recommend you to check that to see the use of break in switch. Rest, let's go ahead and see the use of break in for loop. So guys, here we have the example for the break statement. We have a class name break example, and here we have the for loop. Inside the for loop we have a if condition with the break statement. So let's go ahead and see the difference this break statement gonna make here. So we have a loop that says I value is 0, and it says run the loop until I is less than 10, and it says plus plus I, which means increase the value of I by 1 every single time. We have a condition that says if I equals to 5, please break the statement and come out from the program. So let's go ahead and see how this is gonna work. What I think that it gonna work like, it will check if I is less than 0. So yes, it will print the 0 value, and here we got the example that says 0, then it says 1 2 3 4. Here you will see the thing, the moment it reach here where I equals to 5, it just come out from the program, and we have this input 0 1 2 3 4. We don't have 5, nor we have 6 7 8 9 because of this break statement. Here we have the next agenda for our vid. So let's talk about continue statement in Java. So a continue statement is used to jump to the next iteration. In other words, we use continue statement when we are willing to skip a particular iteration. You'll understand this in a much better way once you see the example. So here's an example for the continue statement, guys. We have made a class here with name continue example, and here we have the for loop. Inside the for loop, we have a if condition, and here we have the continue statement. Let's see how this is gonna work and what will be the difference. We can see here the loop will run here. It will start from 0 to I less than 5, and it will increase the value by I. And the condition is whenever the I is equals to 2, then continue, which means skip the 2. So it will not print the 2, it will print 0 1 3 4 5, or 3 4, not 5, because I is less than 5, not I equals to 5. So let's see the result of this program, and let's see if we correct. So yes, we cannot see 2 here, which means when it reaches here, when I equals to 2, it just continue that, and we don't have 2, we just have 0 1 3 4. It skipped the 2 because of the continue statement. So guys, continue used to skip the value, and break used to come out from the program. Thank you so much for watching the video, guys. I hope this video has helped you to understand the concept of break and continue statement. If yes, please like the video and subscribe to the channel to learn Java. You can also leave us a comment if you have any. That's all for this vid. See you in the next. Bye bye.